Are you drinking beet juice every day, hoping to cleanse your blood vessels and protect your heart? That is a smart choice. But pause for a moment and check your legs. Do you often feel tingling like pins and needles? Notice that your legs feel cold even when the weather is warm? Or sometimes feel heavy as if you are wearing weights with every step you take? If the answer is yes, you need to listen very carefully to this. Beet juice can be a lifesaver for circulation, but when combined the wrong way, it can quietly become a factor that weakens blood flow to your legs. For people over the age of 50, this is not just a matter of comfort, it is a matter of independence and mobility during your golden years. Wrong food combinations can also change the structure of red blood cells. Instead of remaining flexible disc shapes that can slip through tiny capillaries in the toes, red blood cells begin to stick together like stacks of plates glued into clumps. This is the condition known as sludge blood. Welcome back to Senior Secrets Book. Today, we are not just talking about how to drink beet juice correctly. We are breaking down why certain foods you combine with it are directly destroying your efforts to improve circulation in your legs. We will go deep into 5 newly warned dangerous combinations that science has identified, helping you protect even the smallest blood vessels from your thighs all the way down to your toes. More importantly, I will share 3 steps you can use to check your leg circulation at home. All references are listed in the description below. Before we begin, please press the like button. Leave a comment telling me where you are watching from and subscribe so you do not miss important health information designed specifically for older adults. I want to see how strong this health-conscious community can grow. All right, now let me share what you need to know. Why are we talking about the legs? In the human body, the legs are the farthest point from the heart. For blood to travel from the heart down to the feet and then fight gravity to return upward, your vascular system needs perfect coordination. When we pass the age of 50, a natural but challenging process occurs. The walls of the blood vessels begin to lose elasticity, a condition medicine refers to as arterial stiffness. At the same time, the body's ability to naturally produce nitric oxide, a remarkable molecule that helps blood vessels relax and widen, drops by as much as 50% compared to when you were 20 years old. This is where beets enter the spotlight. Beets contain a large amount of natural nitrates. When you drink beet juice, bacteria in the mouth and enzymes in the stomach convert these nitrates into nitric oxide. Research by Dr. Ignarro, a Nobel Prize-winner in medicine, has shown that nitric oxide is the key to keeping blood vessels soft and open, allowing oxygen-rich blood to flow easily to the calf muscles and feet. However, the legs of older adults are extremely sensitive. Blood flow in this area is already under strain from weakened venous valves or underlying plaque buildup. If nitric oxide production is disrupted by poor food combinations, the first area to suffer is the lower limbs. You may not immediately feel a heart attack, but you will notice your legs beginning to protest. To understand why the next 5 foods are dangerous, we need to understand blood viscosity and endothelial function. Imagine the blood vessels in your legs as a system of narrow water pipes. Nitric oxide from beet juice acts like a lubricant that widens and smooths those pipes. But when you consume certain foods, such as high levels of saturated fat or refined sugar, your blood becomes thicker, more like sludge than water. According to a study published in the Journal of the American College of Cardiology, even a single meal high in saturated fat can impair endothelial function within 4 hours after eating. When this endothelial layer is damaged or covered by free radicals, it essentially refuses to absorb nitric oxide from beet juice. What is the result? You drink beet juice, the nitrates enter your bloodstream, but the blood vessels in your legs become deaf to the signal to relax. They remain constricted, preventing blood from penetrating deep into the muscle tissue of the calves. This is why many people say they take many supplements yet still experience numbness and weakness in their legs. Do not leave just yet, because next we are about to reveal the first major food to avoid. You may be consuming it every morning with your glass of juice, without realizing that it is turning your blood into thick sludge and blocking oxygen from nourishing your legs. Let us begin with number 1. Margarine, bacon, and fried foods. A breakfast of fried eggs with bacon, a slice of bread spread with rich butter, and a refreshing glass of fresh beet juice to detox sounds balanced. But for the blood vessels in your legs, this is a chemical conflict. Bacon and butter contain extremely high levels of saturated fat. When these fats enter the bloodstream, they create a condition known as post-meal lipemia. Triglyceride levels surge and make your blood thicker and more sluggish. Why is this especially harmful to the legs? The capillaries in the feet are the smallest blood vessels and sit at the lowest point of the body. To pass through these tiny channels, red blood cells must be highly flexible. But when they are surrounded by fat particles, red blood cells begin to stick together. Research from the University of Maryland has shown that high-fat meals significantly reduce peripheral blood flow within just a few hours. When combined with beet juice, saturated fat blocks the enzyme eNOS, endothelial nitric oxide synthase, which is essential for converting nitrates into a form that blood vessels can actually use. As a result, instead of your legs relaxing and receiving more oxygen, they are forced to work harder to push thickened blood through. If you notice ankle swelling or aching legs shortly after this type of breakfast, you now know the reason. The restriction here is not that you must never eat fat. The restriction is consuming high concentrations of saturated fat at the same time within 2 hours of drinking beet juice. When you do this, you create a biological bottleneck. Imagine nitric oxide from beet juice trying to unlock the blood vessels in your legs, while fat from bacon and butter acts like glue poured into the keyhole. The result is blocked blood flow to the legs right at the capillary level. Therefore, the survival rule for your legs is simple. If you drink beet juice, keep your meal light and free of animal fats. Do not let a slice of bacon or a spoon of margarine turn your valuable glass of beet juice into a trigger for lower limb circulation blockage. Food number 2, walnuts and unsoaked almonds. There is a habit that many Americans over the age of 50 enjoy: adding a handful of walnuts or almonds to a beet smoothie to increase healthy fats and protein. On the surface, this looks like a healthy choice. In reality, it contains a hidden disruptor called phytates, also known as phytic acid. Phytates are natural compounds found in the outer layer of nuts and seeds. They protect the seed until it sprouts. However, in the human body, phytates act as mineral binders. When you consume unsoaked nuts together with beet juice, phytates immediately bind to magnesium and potassium, the two most important minerals found in beets. Why is this a disaster for your legs? Magnesium is known as a natural muscle relaxant. For blood vessels in the legs to widen in response to nitric oxide, the smooth muscle cells in the vessel walls require magnesium. Potassium, on the other hand, regulates electrolyte balance and helps prevent sodium buildup that leads to swelling. When phytates lock up magnesium and potassium, your legs enter a state of mineral starvation. Research from Harvard Medical School shows that localized magnesium deficiency is a leading cause of sudden blood vessel spasms. What is the result? Even though you drink beet juice to support vessel relaxation, the blood vessels in your calves remain tightly constricted due to lack of magnesium. You may experience painful nighttime leg cramps or restless leg syndrome without understanding why. The restriction here is avoiding the combination of raw, unsoaked nuts with beet juice. If you enjoy nuts, soak them for at least 8 hours to reduce phytates, or ideally consume them at least 3 hours apart from beet juice to ensure magnesium and potassium are fully absorbed into the blood supply of your legs. Food number 3, alcohol and alcoholic beverages. A glass of red wine after dinner together with a glass of beet juice may sound like a powerful formula for heart health. Be cautious. Alcohol is an extremely dangerous disruptor of nitrate metabolism. Alcohol has a strong diuretic effect and pulls water out of cells. When you drink alcohol at the same time as or shortly after consuming beets, your body enters a state of fluid imbalance. More dangerously, alcohol interferes with the vasomotor nervous system. The double impact on the legs is significant. Alcohol causes small blood vessels near the surface of the skin to dilate, which is why the face may flush or the skin may feel warm. At the same time, it triggers constriction in the deeper arteries that supply the muscles. This medical phenomenon is known as Steele syndrome. Blood is diverted toward the skin for heat release, while the leg muscles, which actually need oxygen from beet-derived nitric oxide, are deprived. In addition, alcohol suppresses liver enzymes that normally support peripheral blood circulation. According to reports from the American Heart Association, regular alcohol use after the age of 50 significantly increases the risk of peripheral artery disease. You must strictly avoid alcohol within 4 to 6 hours around the time you drink beet juice. This combination not only neutralizes the benefits of beets, but also pushes the legs into a state of localized oxygen deprivation, leading to prolonged coldness, numbness, and calf muscle weakness. Food number 4, ginkgo biloba vitamin E or high-dose aspirin. At this point, I want you to pay close attention. This is a matter of medical safety. Many people over the age of 50 use supplements such as ginkgo biloba to support memory or take vitamin E for skin health and heart protection. On their own, these are not harmful. However, when they interact with the high nitric oxide levels produced by beet juice, they create what is known as an excessive synergistic effect. Beets promote blood vessel dilation and enhance circulation. Ginkgo and high-dose vitamin E also reduce platelet aggregation, effectively thinning the blood. When these two effects occur at the same time with high intensity, they can cause serious problems in the capillary system of the legs. The consequences for the legs are important. After the age of 50, the small blood vessels in the lower legs and feet often become thinner and more fragile. When the blood is overly thinned and flow pressure changes suddenly due to excessive vessel dilation, these capillaries can rupture easily. Have you noticed clusters of tiny bruises or spider-like veins appearing densely on your calves? This can be a sign of circulatory overload. Furthermore, uncontrolled excessive blood thinning can cause a sudden drop in blood pressure in the lower limbs, leading to dizziness when standing up or a sensation that the legs do not feel stable or real during movement. Do not drink concentrated beet juice in amounts greater than 150 milliliters if you are using prescription blood thinners or high-dose blood thinning supplements. If you are following a medical treatment plan, always consult a professional before making beet juice a daily habit. Do not let your effort to cleanse blood vessels unintentionally become a factor that damages the structure of the blood vessels in your legs. Food number 5, white bread, French fries, pastries. This is the final food category, yet it is the hardest to avoid in the modern diet. Imagine drinking a glass of pure beet juice and then eating a white bagel or a serving of French fries. You might think the sweetness of refined carbohydrates helps balance the earthy taste of beets, but in reality, you are triggering a destructive chemical process known as glycation. When you consume refined carbohydrates, blood sugar levels rise sharply within minutes. According to research from the University of California, San Diego School of Medicine, sudden spikes in blood glucose generate superoxide free radicals. These free radicals act like hunters that seek out and destroy nitric oxide molecules the moment they are produced from beets. The direct impact on the legs is significant. High blood sugar causes the blood vessels in the legs to become stiff and inflamed. The glycation process produces byproducts known as advanced glycation end products, which are often compared to rust attaching itself to vessel walls. The legs of people over 50 are already sensitive to nerve and vascular issues. When beets are combined with refined carbohydrates, instead of receiving vessel relaxation and smooth blood flow, the leg vessels are attacked by inflammation. You may feel heat in your feet while at the same time experiencing numbness, an early sign of microvascular damage related to blood sugar. You must strictly avoid white starches and high glycemic index foods within 2 hours before and after drinking beet juice. If you want to consume carbohydrates, choose whole grains rich in fiber to keep blood sugar stable and allow nitric oxide to do its job of nourishing your legs. To understand why the combinations above are dangerous, we need to look at a groundbreaking study published in the journal Clinical Hemorrhology and Microcirculation. Scientists observed blood flow under a microscope after test subjects consumed improper meals. They found that in people over the age of 50, incorrect food combinations can alter the structure of red blood cells. Instead of flexible disc shapes that can slip through tiny capillaries in the toes, the red blood cells clump together like stacks of plates glued into a mass. This phenomenon is known as sludge blood. Beet juice has the ability to thin the blood and improve flow, but its power is not enough to overcome a meal loaded with saturated fat or refined sugar. When blood turns into sludge, the first area to be deprived is the legs. This happens because the heart must work hardest to push thickened blood down to the heels and then pull it back up. When this process fails, metabolic waste products such as lactic acid accumulate in the calves, causing the deep exhaustion and heaviness you often feel at the end of the day. Now, check for yourself how well your leg circulation is working. Below are 3 simple steps that anyone over the age of 50 should perform regularly. Step 1, temperature check. Use the back of your hand to touch the top of your foot and your ankle. If your feet feel noticeably colder than your calves or knees, this is a sign that blood is not being pumped down sufficiently. A healthy circulatory system supported by beets keeps your legs feeling warm and full of vitality. Step 2. Skin color and toenail check. Observe the color of the skin on your feet when you raise your legs up and when you place them back on the ground. If the skin turns pale when lifted and becomes dark red or purplish when lowered, this is a sign that your blood vessels are under strain. In addition, if your toenails grow very slowly or become thick and brittle, it is because they are not receiving enough nutrients from the blood. Step 3. Capillary refill time check. Press firmly on the tip of your big toe for 5 seconds until it turns white, then release. If it takes more than 2 seconds for the pink color to return, your microcirculation system is blocked or constricted. Advice: if you perform these tests after drinking beet juice and see no improvement, it is very likely that you are making one of the 5 food combination mistakes we have just discussed. The Leg Saver Juice Recipe. The correct way to prepare beet juice for people over 50. After knowing what to avoid, the most important question is, how should we prepare beet juice so that our legs receive the maximum benefit? I want to introduce a recipe I call Leg Saver. This formula is not only pleasant to drink, but is also based on principles that best support peripheral circulation. Ingredients: 1 medium beet. This is the primary source of nitrates. 1 large cucumber. Cucumber is high in water and silica, which helps naturally thin the blood without harming blood vessels and supports the kidneys in removing excess oxalates. 1 small piece of ginger, about 2 centimeters. Ginger is a powerful circulation stimulant. The gingerol compounds in ginger help warm the extremities by dilating the small capillaries in the feet. 2 stalks of celery. Celery provides additional organic sodium, helping balance electrolytes and support lower blood pressure without causing fluid retention in the ankles. Preparation: juice all ingredients and drink immediately. This combination neutralizes the earthy taste of beet with the freshness of cucumber and the gentle heat of ginger, while ensuring there are no disruptors such as sugar or fat blocking blood flow to your legs. The right time to drink beet juice. Timing is just as important as what you put into the juicer. For people over 50, I recommend following the 30-30 rule. Drink 30 minutes before physical activity. If you have a habit of morning walking or gentle exercise, drink beet juice 30 minutes beforehand. Nitric oxide needs this amount of time to reach its peak level in the blood. When you start moving, the blood vessels in your legs are already open and ready, allowing oxygen and nutrients to penetrate deep into each muscle fiber and helping prevent leg fatigue and calf cramps. Drink at least 30 to 60 minutes away from main meals. This helps prevent nitrates from mixing with saturated fats or refined carbohydrates from meals, ensuring the metabolic process remains as clean and effective as possible. Special note: do not drink beet juice close to bedtime if you frequently wake up at night to urinate, because its diuretic effect may disrupt your sleep, which is also very important for vascular recovery. Conclusion: we have gone on a long journey to understand the power of beet juice and the invisible barriers created by everyday dietary habits. After the age of 50, our bodies are no longer forgiving of mistakes the way they were in youth. A high-fat breakfast, a sweet pastry, or a glass of alcohol can unintentionally cancel out all of your efforts to protect your health. Remember that your legs do not only help you move, they are a symbol of freedom and quality of life in the years ahead. By keeping your beet juice pure, avoiding the 5 wrong combinations, and listening to the signals from your legs, you are giving yourself the opportunity to walk steadily and live with energy. If today's video helped you recognize a harmful habit, share it with me in the comments below. What do you plan to change starting tomorrow? I would be very happy to accompany you on the path to restoring youthfulness to your vascular system. Thank you for spending your time with Senior Secrets Book. Do not forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you do not miss scientific health secrets designed especially for our age group. I wish you continued strength, happiness, and light, effortless steps.